Work with electrical circuits often requires measurements. Of course, one needs a suitable device to be able to perform them. If you need an apparatus for domestic purposes, an ideal match here would be a beginner device, say a combined metering apparatus or a multimeter, like DVM-830. This multimeter supports all required routine measurements, like DC voltage within the range of 10 mV to 600 volts, and AC voltage of up to 600 volts. The device can also be used to measure direct current in a circuit. It has the function of testing diodes, PN junctions, and measuring current transmission coefficient without bipolar transistors. It also helps measure resistance of up to 2 megaohm. The multimeter comes with an easily readable LCD display. It is very simple and convenient in operation. To measure any parameter except for current, we need to insert the black wire of the probe into the slot indicated as COM, and the red one into the next slot, located a little above the first one, indicated as volt, ohm and milliampere. Now we need to select the required range. For example, to measure voltage in a 220 volt network, you would need to set the range to 600 volts, the maximum for AC voltage, and apply voltage. In this case, we will see that the power in the network is standard. To measure resistance, we need to set the switch to the required resistance range. Say maximum, because we don't know what the value would be for this resistor. So I set the switch to 2 megaohm, and I can see that this range is too high. I then turn it to 2 positions lower, again it doesn't work. Now move the switch to a little bit up, and here's the result. The resistance constitutes 21.8 ohm, so the device shows the absolute value of resistance, and the rated value at which it's being sold would then be 22 kiloohm. This apparatus is very simple but rather reliable. It can be used both at home and in the car.